morning, all. Well, I've been hiking, I'm guessing a couple hours, and I decided to turn the camera on because I can see the spot I'm trying to get to. Let me show you. Now, I'm filming with the GoPro today, so I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but right there is a giant boulder. And this hillside is covered with huge boulders. Now, I have been detecting on the way out here where I can. It's been some spots been really brushy. But all I got is a pocket of lead and one nail. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to get down there and back up the other side. But that's the area that I want to get to. That is full of big, huge boulders. This is an area where I've wanted to come in here and check this out, but it's a heck of a hike. And I've been putting it off for a long time, and I thought today's the day. Is there gold there? I'm hoping so. Well, we made it down there. I'm hoping you can hear me because it's noisy. We made it down to the creek, and I was hoping we could do some metal detecting, but everything here, these are all boulders. I don't see any bedrock. It's just lots and lots of boulders. That is a boulder. That is a boulder. This is all boulders. Okay, well, the trick now is to get through this brush onto the hillside and get in around those boulders, and hopefully we'll find some ground to detect. Let's see if we can get through this brush up on that hillside. Well, I'm out in the sun now and it's warm. Now, I haven't stopped and filmed me digging any targets because so far all I've gotten is lead, bullet now and then. And my plan is once I find gold, if I find gold, then we'll start digging, we'll start filming the targets I dig. Now, I had to come around front. I couldn't get up through that brush, so I'm working my way around, and hopefully I can get to the top, and then once I get up here, hopefully I can drop back down over here in this gully and go around that brush. Or at least that's my plan. Now, I don't think there's going to be anything on this rock, but we're going to check it anyway. Okay, well, I think I'm going to have a bite of lunch right now, then we'll head on out. Okay, well, we managed to make it back down in above the brush, and I just come across something here that looks really good to me. Let me show you. This whole area, like from right up there, there's one side, there's the other side, there's big boulders all over here. They dug this out, or looked like a good spot to them, and guess what? Looks like a good spot to me. Now, a spot like this, what you want to concentrate on is the sides, what they call the throw-ups, where they were digging to get to the bottom. They were throwing their material on the sides to get it out of the way. Well, that's your best chance to find a nugget that they had dug up and threw up on the side. So that's where we're going to look. Okay, well, I went over all the sides down low, and up here at the very top of it, right in there, I got a target. Now, I wasn't going to film me digging anything, because to be honest with you, every target I've had so far sounds good. And they've all been lead, all except for one nail. This sounds good, but I figure, well, the rate I'm going, if I don't film me digging up a piece of lead, I'm not going to film me digging up anything. So let's dig this up, see what it is. Okay, that's what it sounds like. Let's see, it sounds good. Let's see what it is. Now what we want to do is just pull the surface off, and then we'll check it again. Still there, so let's dig down a little deeper. Now the reason you pull the surface off is it could be, and I've found quite a few of them already, it could be a little tiny bird shot right on the surface. But this one's deeper, so let's go deeper. Now we're going to pull the dirt towards us, and the trick is don't let it roll down the hill. Okay, check it again. Okay, well we moved it. It's a pretty small target. So let's see if we can get it in the scoop. Okay, well we got it in the scoop, but I'm not gonna be able to get it out of the scoop while I hold the camera. So I'm gonna find the target. I'll be right back. Yep, there it is. We got us a little tiny piece of lead. Well, while I'm at it, I might as well show you the lead I got so far. Well, that's not all of it, but that's the stuff I can get out of my pocket easily. But we got a pretty good pile of lead. No gold, but lots of lead. Okay, back to work. Well, this kind of cracks me up because about a foot over, got another target, sounded the same. I thought, well, it's just the rest of that bullet. No, it's our first piece of gold. Not real big, but it's definitely gold. We will take it. And I just put everything in the pack because I figured we were leaving. Hey, well, I'm gonna go over this a little more carefully, see if we can turn up another target. Okay, well, I went over everything very carefully. No more targets. Now, right over this hump right here, I think there might be another one of these pits. So I'm gonna gather everything up, go over, take a look, see if we got one over there. Okay, well, I got over in that next gully. This has got bigger boulders in it, but it's a lot narrow. It's like they tried to just tunnel between the boulders. It's real brushy, but let me see if I can give you a shot here. That right there is a huge boulder. Then we got a whole bunch of brush. But they've dug through here. Here's another big boulder, another boulder here. One here the detector's leaning against. Then right there, I've got a target. Let me throw the mic in the headphones, see what you think. Now you'll notice how that target is very sharp and very compact, which tells me that's either lead or gold. Let's find out. Now we're gonna just try to get everything off the top, because we don't know if it's sitting right on the surface and it's really tiny, or if it's down there a ways. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull just the top inch or so over here, and we'll check it. Okay, well, we've moved it. Let's see if we can get it in the scoop. And we got us another piece of lead. Really tiny piece of lead. Getting kind of tired of digging up lead. Okay, back to work. Well, we've moved up probably 10 feet up this gully that they've been digging. And man, I'm here to tell you, the boulders are getting big. But I got a target right here. I almost hate to say this. Sounds really good. But it's in kind of a cool spot. It's in the bottom of the gully. This is where the water's been running down, and the target's right in there somewhere. So once again, I'm like 99% sure it's either gold or lead. And we've been batting almost 100% on the lead today. Now this one sounds a little larger than the last one. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull some of that dirt off and pile it over on the side, see if we can move the target. I'm gonna make us a flat spot here to where we can put our dirt. Check that, see if it's moved. Nope, didn't move it. Let's dig a little more out. Sounds like it's towards me a little bit. Okay, well, we got her up in the upper spot. Let's see if we can get it in the scoop. Okay, we got it in the scoop. Okay, well, it's in this clump. Time to put your money on, is it gold or lead? I think if I had to bet, I would say lead. Well, I'm not seeing anything. Well, that's not good. I'm gonna have to narrow it down a little more, which I think might be lead now since you can't see anything. I got it down to one clump, and I think I might see gold. Take a look. Right there on that edge. Yes, we have gold. Ooh, nice little chunk. Oh, that's a chunky little piece. That's two. That one actually weighs something. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in the bottle, clear everything off, and give it a once over. Well, I cut some brush, pulled everything back I could, check. No more targets. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep following this gully up until I run out of these big boulders. See if we can pick up another target. If I do, I'll turn the camera back on. Well, I've been hiking, I'd say a good hour. Not so much as a target, and I just got a screamer. I want to show you what I found. This is the top to an old mason jar. This is in there, this is probably 30s. This had a rubber seal on it one time. This is a disc. It sat under the lid here. But this is it, that's all I found. So I'm about as far from the truck as I want to be. So I'm gonna pack everything up because it's getting late, and I'm gonna start detecting back to the truck. If I find anything good, I'll turn the camera on, or if I get a target in a good looking spot, I'll turn the camera on. If not, I'll see you back at the house. I've been hiking, oh, it's gotta be an hour and a half, and I picked up 3 more pieces of lead, and I'm about a quarter of the mile from the Jeep now. But I got a target right here, and I thought, why not dig up the last piece of lead together? Let me see, let me show you what it sounds like. Well, it sounds good, but then again, so has the last 50. Okay, I'm gonna dig this up. See what we got. You're not gonna believe this, but our last target of the day is a piece of lead. But it's a really nice piece of lead. Okay, well, I'm gonna pack everything up. I have a couple more minutes. Sun's gonna be behind a hill, and I still got a good half-hour hike. So I'm gonna pack everything up. I'll see you guys back at the house. Back at the house, and it's definitely the next day. I must be getting old, because that hike was tough. Okay, well, what do you say we jump over the scale and see what our 2 pieces of gold weigh? There's our first piece. And there's our second little chunky one, almost a gram. And total, we ended up with 1.37 grams. Well, I'm having a tough time getting back into my 2-gram rut. Well, my plan is, since the rivers are high, we're kind of stuck on the hillside, so I got plans to head back up there. I'm going to go over the next hill into the next gully, take a look in there, see if I can find anything. If not, then I'm thinking we might want to go do a little treasure hunt. Who knows? The weather's going to kind of dictate, but the only thing I can say is we're going to go do something, that's for sure. Okay, well, I'm all I got on this one, so I'm out of here. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.